This is question 7 in the June 2013 calculator paper, the higher paper. This question is quite a fiddly question and actually wasn't answered particularly well. A lot of people had issues with this question. However, there are several ways to do it. I'm going to look at one way which is pretty straightforward, pretty logical. Follow it, make sure you understand it, think about other possible ways you could do it, but do just follow this. So first, reading the question. Colin, Dave and Emma share some money. Colin gets 3/10 of the money. Emma and Dave share the rest of the money in the ratio 3:2. What is Dave's share of the money? So just going back to this, right? Colin gets 3/10. Emma and Dave get the rest in the ratio 3:2. So I actually always write this above the ratio. So Emma is going to get 3 parts and Dave is going to get 2 parts. If Colin gets 3/10, right, so that fraction of all the money, Emma and Dave are going to get take away 3/10. They're going to get the rest. They're going to get 7/10 of the money. Okay, so there's a whole amount, which is the 1. 3/10 goes to Colin, so the rest of it, 7/10, is going to go to Emma and Dave. And that fraction is going to be shared in the ratio 3:2. So 3 parts to Emma and 2 parts to Dave. So that's 5 parts altogether. So Dave is going to get 2 out of 5. So Dave gets 2 out of 5, or 2/5 of what's left over. Alright, so he's going to get 2/5 of 7/10. So he gets 2/5 of 7/10. And if you know your fractions, when you're timesing fractions, right, you times the numbers at the top and you times the numbers at the bottom, times the numerators and the denominators. So 2 times 7 is 14, 5 times 10 is 50, and that's your answer. 14 over 50 is the fraction of the amount that Dave gets. Now, as I said, this is quite a fiddly question. Make sure you follow it a couple of times, read it through several times. It's worth 4 marks. Right, you could pick up some easy marks on this. Do follow it, do try to understand it, and do make sure you can do it and near enough get full marks in it.